$7.99. What a deal. Oops. All the Big Lots people were so kind.
Oh my God.
The hands are on the temples.
I'm gonna cry. Oh, I didn't see you there. Today, we're switching credit cards. I've waited quite a few months and it's finally happening.
Remy's begged.
I really have.
You have.
Please zoom down to my shoes. I like to wear heels when we stand next to each other, otherwise I look short. The name of the game, we're gonna swap credit cards. We have a rough budget, which I most definitely have probably already gone over, even though we haven't even started filming yet.
In your planning?
Yes. I planned one thing and it was over budget. I was like,
you still did it.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Just count it as a late birthday present to yourself.
Early birthday present for myself next year as well.
Yeah, have fun.
I will. I'm very excited.
I'm excited to see what you do.
Okay.
I feel like it's...
I'm like, I'll let you know. I've been begging to do this video, and then every time I watch the ones she does, I think, what would I do? So I've been prepping for a very long, long time.
Also, send this video to someone who you would want to switch credit cards with.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
I literally called my bank to be like, hey, just letting you know I'm gonna be spending a little extra today.
Good, I didn't. I am so excited to do this video. I watched all of Alicia's with all of our friends, and I have some really fun things planned up my sleeveless tank today, so let's hit the road. First up, we're going to a shopping center that has every store we could possibly want. God is good. First up, Big Lots! I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been to a Big Lot since I bought my Christmas tree for my room because that was like the YouTube trend back in like 2013 or so when I lived with my parents. But I was told by my friend for our big activity today that this is the best place to get some supplies, so let's go! I'm actually excited, I do love a Big Lot. Oh wow, we got a lot of stuff. We got outdoor furniture right next to the gravy. Cal does love a Reese's egg. Snack size, how cute. 2 Cal, love Alisha. Oh, we got the dog section. Those are fun. Rope. Oh, Daisy love ropes. They're like little birds. I think they'll like these. Yeah. Right? Some birds. Little candies. Doggy dudes. Hoochie fruits. Thanks, Alisha. Thanks, Alisha, for the pups. I'm just gonna get them all. Oh my god. It's chips and guac. Oh, that's so cute. Can't forget the kitties. I'm gonna cry. For the kitties. All right, we got blankets. $4.99 for a holiday blanket. Oh, that's so cute. The dogs don't know when Christmas is. An Among Us one.
Are they gamer dogs?
They're gamers. I think we're good.
Lucky puppies. Off we go.
Thanks, Alicia. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
I feel bad filming it.
Get the content, baby.
Content, baby, content.
Content, baby, content. Oh. All the Big Lots people were so kind. Job number 1, accomplished. In case you've not caught on yet, we are gathering things to donate them to a local animal shelter today for the animals. Perfect timing. I've been needing Shape Tape concealer, and there was an Ulta right across from the Big Lots, so let's go shopping. Come on. Hello. Oh my god, look at this big one. Baby ones. Oh my god. All right, I'll try these. Oh, I love a NYX product. Oh, the ones I want are always sold out. Ooh, I want a blush. The liquid blush. Oh, they're all sold out. Damn, Madison Beer. Lip mask. Ooh. Yeah, they have Kylie Cosmetics here. Oh, I want to try one of these. Jaclyn Hill. Mesmerized. Ooh, pretty.
I love that. You need a basket or something?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome, madame.
I was looking. I might as well get something for Cal if it's on Alicia's card.
What is it?
I don't know. Men face wash. Okay. I don't know. 2-in-1 shampoo. Oh, hi. My shopping face is like anti-fatigue depuffing eye gel, Clinique for men. He'll love this. He likes skincare more than I do. So, Kopari. We love Kopari. Oh my god. I like the coconut milk, and then they have this new one with like a lychee that was good. I want to make myself like a gym bag with like tons of products, and then a car bag. So, oh, I should get a bag while I'm here. I hate when they write things on them.
What does it say? Live, laugh.
Goals.
Oh god.
Goals. I love that for you. Hey there, sunshine. They have mini versions. They're so cute in the middle. You may say I'm a dreamer. I've gone through like 5 of these. The Tree Hut scrubs, so good. Insert name here is here if you're looking for a ponytail. They're really good. If you're looking for a duo lip oil but don't want to spend the money, the Ulta Beauty ones, good dupe.
Pretty modest haul you got there. I'm proud of you.
There's a lot of little stuff in the bottom. Oops. All this shopping has worked up an appetite. Let's get lunch. Oh, I'm so hungry and ready to eat a burger. Thank you so much. Wow, the sky looks fake. It does. It looks like a Pixar video. Mukbang in the car. Best day ever. Fries for you.
Thank you.
And cheeseburger, grilled and raw onions, tomatoes. No lettuce because iceberg is gross. Wow, it hits the spot every time. They're good. I will say In-N-Out makes me want to take a nap as soon as I eat it, so we might need a quick car nap.
It's fine.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. Happiest place on earth.
I've never been to this one. I love a new Costco. Why did we get lunch? We should have gotten a chicken bake.
Oh, what are we looking for?
What do I not need, but I'm gonna buy? I think it's my time to take up paddleboarding. Noodle sling. Wait, this is awesome. I'll get 2 so a friend can do it with me. Oh, Remy.
I'm making a mess.
Remy Ashton Cruz.
How do you not have this already?
This is
That's the size of your torso.
This is a little too big. Oh my god, wait, I should buy Alisha a kite. Tell the kite story. Tell the kite story. Kite story. The kite story. Listen to Pretty Basic if you haven't already, and you'll know Alisha loves kites. Let's get what we actually came for.
What do you mean?
Let's get lots and lots of treats. Ooh, chicken sticks.
Love it.
$7.99. What a deal. Wow.
I smell like beef.
For train.
God?
Costco brand pea pads are amazing.
20 bucks.
100 of them.
Ah, it's such a good deal.
Good deal. They have Costco dog toys.
Hell yeah.
Costco membership. Dogca. I'm getting these.
Yep.
Legs. Doing so good. I needed protein powder.
Biggest bag I've ever seen.
I'm tired. I'm cutting myself off before I buy more things I don't need, but we got what we came for, which is food, pea pads, treats, everything for the pups. Let's go to the shelter.
Don't forget the kite.
Oh, more importantly, a kite. Okay guys, we're at the East Valley Animal Shelter. We are bringing all the donations in. Yay! We got lots. All right guys, we are home from the shelter. So we wanted to film a little more while we were there, but while we were setting up everything in front, a mom and her son came over and brought, oh, I'm gonna cry.
Don't cry. Oh, Red.
Okay.
It's okay.
They brought their German Shepherd puppy to the shelter and they were bringing her in because they couldn't take her anymore. So we're gonna find her listing and I'm just gonna link the shelter down below and in the description box and everything. If you're in the LA area and you're looking for an 11-month-old German Shepherd to house and give a home and give love to, her link will be down below. We're gonna find it as soon as we possibly can. In a perfect world, this video is coming out in a couple weeks. Maybe she's already found a home. But truly, if you are thinking of adopting, whether it's a cat or a dog, or they have guinea pigs there too, truly adopting Momo was one of the best choices I've ever made in my entire life. Cal can definitely attest. He and Momo are like this. Best choice we've ever made in our lives, so please be sure to adopt. Link down below again. So since then, we've been home just chilling and we are doing something that I wanted to do for so long, so thank you so much, Alisha. So we found a chef and he's at the house. He's been prepping for the past like 2 hours and I cannot wait. It smells so good in there. His name is Chef MASUYOSHI. We'll link him down below if you are interested in this as well. Highly recommend. I cannot wait to eat. Let's go. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks, Alisha. Here's our wonderful chef. Hi, chef.
Hi.
Are you kidding me? Thank you so much. Arigato. So I was gonna do this alone, but I figured we needed the comedic relief of the team. So everyone's here. Say hi.
From life.
The cast of From Life.
Literally.
Starring Ryan Murphy, Ali Abbas, and Cal Parsons. Thank you. We're gonna eat now. Thank you. Oh my god. Wow.
Oh, he's putting gold on it.
Oh, the plateware is so nice. His napkin.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh my god. It's first time trying caviar.
I love it.
The texture. Oh my god, so good. She's gonna be spending a lot on caviar now.
The Toro was butter.
The like floral notes are really good.
Incredible.
The eyes closed. It's even better that we're home.
I know. Like this is so silly.
It's so comfortable. Silly's the perfect word.
How silly and goofy of us.
Yeah.
That was just
We're so quirky.
Whoa. Bravo.
Everybody clap.
Oh, they're so cute.
Stop looking at it.
Oh my god.
Wow. I'm so excited.
Oh my god, that's really good. Oh my god.
The hands are on the temples. It's real.
I'm like drooling.
Oh, you have so much left, Cal. So lucky.
It was really good.
I'm just kidding.
I'm about to say no.
Wow.
I want to lick the plate.
Do it.
Wow.
You won't.
No, I won't.
Do it for the video.
No.
Damn it.
That was so good.
Thinking about that for the rest of the week and my life.
Same.
That was unreal.
More gold, guys. Could you taste the gold?
No.
I could feel the gold.
Feel it.
It tasted like
Feel
what Remy
rich.
feels like every day.
What her heart's made out of. Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you,
I love
thank
this.
you.
Remy left train. Cal's turn.
Whitney is Miss Remy Ashton's LLC's Employee of the Month.
Again.
Egg custard. I love eggs. Oh my god.
I don't think I'm ever gonna be the same.
Wait, I have something
Sorry.
to say to Remy's video. Cal said I was his favorite person. And I need everyone
Never
to
gonna
know.
live that down.
I'm never letting it go.
This
The
is
flower.
so fun.
This is so great. Thank you so much.
That's really cool.
All right, I'm eating it now.
Talk to me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
I'm
die.
gonna die. Oh.
Oh. Seaweed with the green onion.
Oh.
Oh my god,
flower.
it's so good.
Really tasty.
That's
I've
really
literally
good.
never seen Cal this happy.
That's really good.
More gold, guys. Wow.
Alicia's literally gonna block you after this.
Alicia's gonna watch and want to do it.
Yeah.
Everything was so good though. I loved it.
I loved it.
We are back. I had a wonderful time spending all your money.
Wait, you've never done these videos? We've
No.
always wanted to. Did you have fun?
I-
Was it what you thought?
Yes, spending other people's money is way more fun than spending your own money. It was exactly what I thought. Do I do a breakdown now of what I
Yeah, so
spent
you
on?
tell me what you bought and how much it was.
Okay, we started off our day by going to Big Lots, I believe is where we went first.
Oh.
And spent $493 at Big Lots, which I was not expecting.
Big Lots, they have such good deals, so that's a lot of
We got a
stuff.
whole cart full of dog toys and treats and beds and things. And then we went over to Ulta. I was throwing some things into my cart that I wasn't expecting at Ulta. That was $450. And then we went to Costco, which I forgot! I bought you a kite. Found a kite! And it had flames! Got dog toys, more dog treats. That was $454. We went to the East Valley Animal Shelter, donated everything there. We had lots of donations, and then finished out our night by going to my house and having omakase, which is where a sushi chef came over and provided, did a whole sushi dinner for me, Cal, Murph, and Ollie. And it was a lovely experience, and that was $1,000. So the total comes to $2,417.
We both went over! Of course you did something so wholesome and good. I bought myself a bag,
Also wholesome and good for yourself. That's okay.
self-care.
That's good. Here's your card back.
Yours. Wow, I really
This is lovely. I had a great time.
I knew you were gonna spend more, but also I was worried. But I'm glad we both went over, so it's less of a drastic.
I'll just pay you the change.
Yeah, Venmo me, bitch. Also, just like every other credit card swap video that I've done, we decided we're gonna be donating some money, and we collectively, as pretty basic,
In tandem.
we're gonna be donating to Save the Children to help those in Ukraine. There's gonna be a link actually in our Instagram bio.
I can't wait to do this again next week. Bye!
Bye!